Organizing your gardening supplies and extra storage boxes has never been this easy. The 10 by 8 foot garden building from Lifetime Products gives you the extra space necessary to keep your backyard and garage looking good. The spacious 71 square foot interior and heavy duty construction makes it perfect for you and your storage needs. The 10 by 8 garden building includes one shatterproof window that opens and locks closed, 2 entry windows, 2 large skylights, 4 small skylights, and 2 screen vents. To help organize the interior, it also comes with 2 90 by 9 inch shelves, 2 corner shelves, and 1 16-inch peg strip with tool hooks. Lifetime sheds and garden buildings are specifically designed to have more headroom through the entrance than any others on the market. And with our lockable doors and internal latching mechanism, your items will be safe and secure. The convenient centralized location of the doors allows for easy access to your storage without having difficulty reaching items stored in the back. The interior of our garden buildings have a 6-foot, 8-inch interior height from floor to roof truss, making it easy to walk around, stack boxes, and store pretty much anything. Lifetime also offers additional shelves and accessories, allowing you to get creative with the interior of your shed and customize it to fit your needs. Make sure to select a location for your shed that is large enough to accommodate the size of your building. For the best long-term performance, we recommend using a level cement, wood, asphalt, gravel, or patio-style surface. The Lifetime 10 by 8 garden building is proudly made in the USA and is constructed of UV-resistant, high-density polyethylene. Our proprietary UV protection makes our buildings resistant to heat and extending exposure to harmful UV rays. They are resistant to the outdoor elements and will not fade, warp, chip, or peel. Unlike other sheds, Lifetime garden buildings are low maintenance, stain resistant, and keep their design and good looks for years to come. So put away your buckets of stain and paint. You will never need to paint or varnish a Lifetime garden building. Lifetime uses blow molding technology, which makes the walls, roof, and floor panels double-walled for added strength and durability. Many companies only use injection molding, which gives weak single-wall construction that turns brittle and cannot withstand outdoor elements. Our double-wall buildings also have heavy-duty steel reinforcements to ensure superior strength and durability. The steel provides extra strength and support to eliminate warping or bending in the wall and roof panels. With a 2,264-pound total snow load capacity, our garden buildings have a heavy-duty steel reinforced roof, and the high-pitched design allows for quick drainage of rain and snow. Lifetime garden buildings are not only built for strength and durability, they also have an attractive appearance and design to accent the beauty of your backyard. So let a Lifetime garden building be your gardening and storage solution. With its durability and good looks, it will be the envy of your neighborhood.